Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage FTP access on Bluehost. So I just tap on my Safari browser, and before you creating an account you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, so accessing a journal FTP information, the journal FTP settings can be found in the C panel and can be accessed from the websites or the hosting tab. So after website tab, number one, click the website tab from the side navigation menu to the left. Then second, locate the website you wish to find FTP details for and click the settings button. Then third, click the advanced tab from the horizontal navigation, and for under the FTP access, click the manage button. So this is how you can access to FTP. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.